How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Plus or minus. B. Angle. C. A square. D. Theta. The answer is C. A square. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Alpha beta gamma. B. Pi. C. Mu. D. Sigma. The answer is A. Alpha beta gamma. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Plus or minus. B. Angle. C. Not equal to. D. Theta. The answer is B. Angle. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Arc PQ. B. Angle. C. A square. D. Theta. The answer is A. Arc PQ. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Alpha beta gamma. B. Belongs to. C. Mu. D. Equivalent to. The answer is B. Belongs to. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Degree. B. Phi. C. Cap of. D. Percent of. The answer is C. Cap of. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Cup of. B. Phi. C. Cap of. D. Cube root of. The answer is D. Cube root of. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Cup of. B. Phi. C. Cap of. D. Percent of. The answer is A. Cup of. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Degree. B. Belongs to. C. Delta triangle. D. Equivalent to. The answer is A. Degree. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Alpha beta gamma. B. Belongs to. C. Delta triangle. D. Equivalent to. The answer is C. Delta triangle. Please like, share, subscribe.